great out there today. Like not even as humid.
Not as humid. It was cool this morning. Lots of sunshine. No problems whatsoever. We have another day like that tomorrow, which is great news. If you're an early riser, really chilly tomorrow morning. We started out in the low 60s this morning. Tomorrow morning, we have low 60s and 50s in parts of western North Carolina. And tomorrow afternoon will be a little bit warmer, but still comfortable. Clear and cool overnight. Our highs today hit the 80s. Spent most of the day in the 70s for western North Carolina. So we go into your Friday, good looking day. Highs near 90 degrees. No issues, no problems. Saturday, Sunday, that's where we start to bring back those rain chances in the forecast. The first sign will be pop-up showers or a few thunderstorms possible late Saturday afternoon. And then as we go into Sunday, we have a better chance of more widespread, slow soaking rain moving through as a slow moving system drags rain into the Carolinas during the second part of our weekend. But we have a couple days to watch it, so that may change just a bit. All right, right now we are in the 70s, mid to low 70s across the upstate, northeast Georgia, 60s in most areas in western North Carolina. The 70s are in Tryon and Rutherfordton. And as we take a look, our sky conditions are absolutely clear. Downtown Greenville looks fantastic. We have had a great looking night. 74 degrees is our current temperature, and we will see those temperatures continue to fall another 10 degrees or so in most spots. That means we wake up to temperatures in the mid 60s in the upstate, low 60s and upper 50s for western North Carolina. And after that, it starts to warm up. A quick warm up. Our noon temperatures are in the mid 80s in the upstate, right at 80 in the mountains, and our highs tomorrow, a mixture of upper 80s and low 90s, but the humidity remains low. Again, one of the things we've talked about through much of the month of July, high temperatures, high humidity. High temperatures with low humidity, it feels hot, but it's not stifling, and that's really going to be the difference in our weather tomorrow, and that's the thing that we benefited from today. Low 90s for highs tomorrow in the upstate, upper 80s in western North Carolina. Heat index values pretty much right at that same 90 and 80 degree mark. High pressure still in control of our weather, and as long as it stays to our north, we're in great shape, and that'll be the case tonight. That'll be the case tomorrow. Good looking day. But as that high pressure slides offshore and kind of gets pulled back into Canada, we have a return of those warm southerly winds during the day on Saturday. That's going to function as a prime for a few more showers or thunderstorms in the afternoon. We pause our timeline here at 4. Our best chance to see scattered thunderstorms 4 to 5 o'clock, kicking off in the upstate and the mountains. And then they wind down as we go through the overnight. As we go into Sunday, different pattern. We still have that warm, humid air in place. We start off with clouds on Sunday. And because of that setup, we can see some scattered showers off and on during the day on Sunday until this front eventually tries to move out, but it's a slow mover. So we may have some lingering showers still around for the day on Monday. So starting Saturday evening through Sunday and then again into Monday, rain may be a possibility. Again, Saturday is going to be warm ahead of the rain and any thunderstorms that we get. Those won't arrive until later in the afternoon or evening. So you'll still have several hours Saturday to get out and enjoy some good warm weather. Same for western North Carolina. Dry early in the day with temperatures climbing to the mid 80s. By late afternoon, thunderstorms and showers and rain and clouds around during the day on Sunday. Has an impact on those temperatures, dropping them to the low 80s. 90s tomorrow. Enjoy one more great looking day. Pop-up thunderstorms Saturday and rain around on Sunday. Scattered showers will be expected Sunday for both the upstate and the mountains.